Hello, welcome back to my channel. God bless you in Jesus' name. I remain myself the great Johnsonkeyz. Alright, so if you've not clicked the subscribe button, please do that. I did a video of recent in the key of C sharp. So people asked for that I do it in some other keys. So today I want to do it in the key of C. So today we're gonna have something like this in the key of C. We're gonna learn something like this. Okay, so before I show you this, I'm going to show you the chords now, everything I play. I want to quickly introduce you to my new intermediate piano course that just came out recently. Okay, so the syllabus is on the screen. I was taught in the key of C, F, and some other keys, F sharp, right? But then the PDF has all the chords in all the keys. And then for now, the tutorial is just 4,000 Rand for people in Nigeria, and then $12 for people overseas. You can see that. So how to get yours? You're asking that question now. Just check the comment section. My contact is there. Chat me up on WhatsApp now on different options of how to get your own copy. So I'll be expecting on WhatsApp. All right. Thank you. So it goes like this. So we are getting from 5, kind of from 5 to 6, 4 to 3. Then 1 to 7, then to 6. So let me show you that in a bigger format. So we have our drop 2 chords. You already know what drop 2 is. If you don't know, you can watch the previous video I did on F sharp, C sharp rather, for this tutorial. So we have the drop 2 is where you drop the second melody from the top to your left. So in this case, we are supposed to play a G second inversion. So we're gonna drop this G, because that's the 2. Left, so we have a G on the left, we have a D and B on the right. G on the left, D for dog, B for baby, right? Then to this chord. So next we have a 6, which is A. We're in the key of C. A on the left, E and C on the right. Then the next chord we're going to do is slow, which is a F on the left, C on the right, and A. But you slow from the G to the A. So we have so next chord we have a E on the left, we have a C and G on the right. Don't forget you can use this to introduce a song, to start a song, to create an atmosphere, and so on. So we have the next chord is a C on the left, G and E on the right, but you slow from D to E. So so you do that, then to 7 on the left, which is a B on the left, then G and D on the right. Then you have a G on the left again, D and B on the right. Then the last chord you have a A on the left, E, F, and C on the right. So actually, but the one I played was but you can actually do that. You get? Or this one. Then so now you do on 1 you do 2 to 3, then for 7 and 5, then 7, 1, 2, 1 for your 6 6 on 4, which is A and F on the left. So together we have so you can choose which one you go for. Then you can do your arpeggio as usual. So that's 1 on the left, 3, 4, 6, 1 on the right. So just I've given you the notes already. Practice that, and then you can listen again to mine. All right, don't forget to grab the intermediate piano course, and also subscribe if you've not done that. Share this channel with your friends. Let's hit 100K plus this year. God bless you. Bye.